Looking to speed up your sample purification without sacrificing quality? Meet the QIAGEN QIAcube Connect, refurbished and ready from Galileo Scientific. This powerful system automates the purification of nucleic acids and proteins, handling up to 12 samples at once, so your team gets more done faster. It performs all the key steps: lysis, binding, washing, and elution, just like the manual process, but with far greater consistency and minimal hands-on time. Inside, you'll find an integrated centrifuge, a heated shaker adjustable between 15 and 30 degrees Celsius, a precision pipetting system, and a robotic ripper that takes care of the heavy lifting. A user-friendly touchscreen lets you easily select pre-installed protocols for RNA, genomic DNA, viral nucleic acids, proteins, and more. You can even download additional protocols at no extra cost. Plus, the automatic load verification system ensures everything is properly placed before you begin, reducing errors and saving valuable time. Whether you're working in research or diagnostics, the QIAcube Connect brings efficiency, reliability, and reproducibility to your lab. Each unit is thoroughly reviewed, reconditioned, and serviced by Galileo Scientific experts, so you're getting top-tier performance at an exceptional value. Refurbished doesn't mean second best. It means smart, sustainable,